Hi, this is Dean from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Avenue, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 07 3848 1382. Today we have a 2013 Ford Kuga TF model. The stock number for this one is 4639. This model runs from 11th month 12 up to 9th month 16. This car has a 1.6 petrol EcoBoost engine powered by an all-wheel drive automatic petrol transmission. Here you can see the petrol 1.6 EcoBoost petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the front, so the bonnet, front bar, headlights and grille are no good. This vehicle is fitted with factory 17-inch steel wheels, left-hand front, good tyre, left-hand guard, insurance quality. Here we have a left-hand electric mirror indicator type, left-hand front door, insurance quality, left-hand rear door, once again insurance quality, left-hand rear 17-inch steel wheel with good tyre, left-hand tail light, left-hand garnish light. Tailgate comes complete with your wiper, garnishes and reverse camera, insurance quality. Here we have the rear bar, comes complete with your reflectors, so reverse sensor type. Here we have a tow bar, comes complete with your wiring, bolts, loom and brackets. Right hand garnish light, right hand tail light, 17-inch steel wheel with average tyre, right hand rear insurance quality door, right hand front insurance quality door, right hand electric door mirror indicator type, right hand front 17-inch steel wheel. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth factory interior, driver's side front seat, center console lid, automatic console, driver's side, passenger side seat, passenger sun visor, courtesy light with sunglass holder, interior mirror, factory 4-spoke audio and cruise control, black vinyl steering wheel. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Dean from Total Parts Plus.